right there. Because this thing, there's really no way to like, oh, I'm getting bit. Oh, okay. There we go. Stop it. Pliers here. Hey, where'd my, yeah, I'll just let you go here. I don't know how you're hung up in there. Oh, there you go. Thank you for the release. There we go. Come on. Oh, there we go. Boy, ain't you pretty? Stole my worm, but you sure are pretty. Boy, look how tiger striped up he is. He is pretty. At least they're biting, because it is, like I said, well, not on this particular video, but earlier when I got here, yeah, let's look at this. That's what this guy's got under this dock. That's what I'm fishing. But when I got here today, it was 39 degrees. And then as soon as I pulled into this cove, I was filming. I just put the camera on, and about the time I did, it started to rain. And it's not supposed to rain until like 6. So 39 degrees and raining is not exactly what I wanted to come fish today. Luckily, it's must have just been like the one cloud I had over my head, because it has since quit. Thank the Lord, because I would have been hiding. I would have been hiding in the marina. Yeah, I would have been hiding in the marina for sure. No doubt about that. You're getting bit. Come on. He's thinking about it. There you go. And hey, calm down. Another guy, real prettied up. I don't really expect to catch much else out of it than bluegill. Thought maybe the, random bass or something might be in there, but, or catfish, I guess. Was kind of hoping there'd be some crappie mixed in with it, but they are probably out in the middle. With the yellow bass, which I need to go catch me some. Ooh, I got thumped. I think I'm hung on hung on the brush pile. He's still on it. Let's see if I can't let him. There we go. Got me from a worm, you little jerk. Surprised it didn't straighten the hook out. Right up under the dock. And I'm hung. Like I said, this guy has got everything known to man under here. Yeah, we're breaking this one off, guys. Or did it straighten? Whew, got it back. Holla at your boy. That's what I'm talking about when I talk about America. We're getting oh, we're not getting bumped. We're just in the middle of a tree. We'll kind of get away from it a little bit. There we go. There we go. Did he get me hung around that daggum tree? Lord, yes. Did he get my worm? He got my worm. All right. Enough of that. We're going to do, I straightened it out. Oh, there we go. What we got? Nope. Yeah, that's what I was after. Just what I was after. Little yellow bass. Little yellow bass action. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh, shit. Ran into another boat. Hey, calm yourself. You know, I say yellow bass, but I'm not 100% certain because that does not look yellow. I'll have to look it up and see what they have out here. I can't remember. I don't think they have white bass or hybrid out here. I'm almost positive they don't. But I don't actually look and see what they stock here either. So I just happen to know there's yellow bass. How's it going? Yeah, doing all right. Not as good here. There's some brush piles over in that cove over there. I don't know, what are you fishing for? I guess that'd be the question. The bluegill are biting real good over there. I'm getting, let's see what we got here. Yeah, I think it's no bluegill. I'll say bluegill biting pretty good.
We went to the river the other day, bass fishing.
Yeah?
We caught several bass. We caught more bluegill down there. We did bass.
Yeah, I came, I was out here on Tuesday, or Monday, and I caught a 6-pound bass out of that cove over there.
We didn't catch none of that. We had some 2 and 3 pounders, though. We caught several of them.
Yeah. I'll say I went out to the river last week, and I didn't catch, I caught some white bass, but that was it. I didn't really have any luck out there with.
5 or 6 of them.
Yeah. I came back today, I said, you know what, I'll just bring me some night crawlers, and I'll do something different today. Who cares if the drag is, there we go. Let's see, let's hope he's kind of a gosh dog, he's a big one. All right, well.